I got my brand new Away bigger carry-on. I've been waiting for this because I'm a big dude. I got bigger clothes. It finally came in. I wanted to show you what the craziness is all about. So check it. Here we go. There's a quick little backstory. In theory, there's the company was started by a lady who traveled a lot, or a couple of ladies who traveled a lot, and they hated all the suitcases on the market. They hated the high-end suitcases, the low-end suitcases, because high-end suitcases was just dumb expensive. A lot of the low-end suitcases, you run it through the airport, especially here in Honolulu. Our airport has these little weird like 6-inch tiles, and as you're rolling, your wheels will straight blow up while you're traveling. I've had it happen to me. I've seen it happen to other people. So it comes in this nice little poplin bag in a gigantic box. I picked the midnight blue. I will show you they have tons of colors, and every couple of months they generate a special color. This guy was designed to fit in all the carry-on checkers. You know the carry-on checker at the airport where you go like this, it checks your suitcase? It's designed to fit in all of those. What's cool about this one, the bigger carry-on, is if you're cool and you want it, say you don't travel a lot international, you can get the built-in battery. And in places where you can't take the built-in battery, you just boing it right out. So this is a 10,000 milliamp USB 3 charger. So that's the fast one with the blue, or the single standard old school USB. One is a regular charger and it has a USB in. This one is fully charged. Pop it back in. Just push it in. Close the dust cover. Handle, nice and smooth. Strong, not too flippy. It has enough play so that you don't break it, but other than that, it's pretty simple. Up and down is nice. Comes with a leather tag. I'll just engrave my name on this instead of filling it out. The thing that I really loved about them when I saw the demos is it rolls smooth as pie. They did their own special little wheel thing similar to Remova, but minus the $5,100 Removas. From the way this is set up with the ball bearings and that, it looks like they're easily replaceable. Away does come with a lifetime warranty. That was one of the reasons why I picked it. Combination TSA lock right there on the top. So let's take a look inside. Boom. Zip halfway all the way around. I wish more suitcases, especially in the carry-on, would come with clips the old school way, because with carry-ons you're always in and out of it, It's easier to just clip it, open, grab it, clip it back, but that's a different video. So taking a look inside, if I can make it stand up straight, it has this nice mesh pocket with a lot of room. There is a liter amount, which I forget, but I'll just put it right here. It has liters. Maybe I'll dub it in like a Kung Fu flick. Comes with a pack of Do Not Eats. I made that in a trash can, by the way, and just so you know. Really deep. I like the way that you can close this because you can keep your tech, say, on this side, or shoes or something like that. I like to travel with a pair of slippers. This comes with, you unclip these and it allows you to do compression. So if you stick in your jacket, your blanket, your tech, whatever, you can squeeze it down. If you're using it for clothes, you can use this to compress. I'm gonna lay it flat. It might be hard for you to see, but you'll get the idea real quick. So your gear's in here. You grab this little clip, you close it like such, and then when you yank on the, look, just like the airport. When you yank on the straps, it will compress your clothes down here. So that'll be good for like jeans, puffy jacket, things like that. As you squeeze it down, you'll make more space. Then you can throw your tech right here on the top. In the bottom, there is a little zipper. The zipper comes with a laundry bag. So if you need to put in any wet gear, as you packing back on the way home. I like the fact that they include a laundry bag. Such a simple little touch. Inside the pouch, where you would put magazines, documents, whatever, comes with this little guy. Here is another net pouch. Net pouch is good because it allows things to breathe. Comes with a little book. Looks all the field notes. Don't get mad, Aaron Droplin. They stole your style. The charger for the battery with what I like to call ducklet plugs. That means that they don't stab all your stuff inside like the old Apple iPhone charger. Comes with a USB cable for recharging said thing. But I love companies that go the extra mile. This, people, is what you call extra mile. This kind of country, that kind of country, and this kind of country. I used to know exactly what they were, but I forget. Anyway, this, you have the various travel plugs. This is UK. I do know that. This is China. I do know that. The one that goes like this, I don't know. You let me know in the comments because I haven't been there yet. But I do have these two. So I like the fact that they ship it with the easily added ability to change the way the power works. So all you do is slide this on here. And then now you're ready for the UK. That's kind of cool. A lot of companies, they would be like, figure your own charging out. So you got to give them for that. So the Away bag is built like a tank. Like I said, lifetime warranties, myriad of colors. The zippers are really nice and smooth. They're probably the company XXY or YYX, I forgot what you call it. Probably those high-end zippers. Nice and smooth, no biting. The lock is, again, nice and smooth. Handle is well built. It's made out of some type of rubber, flubber. But my favorite thing is the roll, man. Lifetime warranty, you can't beat it. Anyway, this is the Away Bigger Carry-On. I will let you know how it goes when I come back, but I do love my large Away, which I use to travel to Japan, and that thing is beautiful. It's a beast. Nice and solid, sumo wrestler compatible. You can get it in monogrammed. I didn't want that because I can laser my own stuff. And yeah, if you want to buy one of these, you want to check it out, I'll put the link in the bottom. I will add an affiliate link too. You can save yourself 20 bucks, kick me 20 bucks, and I think that's how it works. Anyway, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave comments and the feedback. If you have any questions, let me know. This has been the Away Suitcase. I'm Doc Rock. Aloha. But that was dumb. Aloha.